Everyone said that we have to take an education, but there are many students who don't enjoy in a class. Methods learning not completely running well. Or we stay here, don't do anything to education sector. So here I am, the Honorable, the judges of KLIC 2020, the Honorable, the committee of KLIC 2020, and also the Honorable of the presenter of KLIC 2020. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Fitria Anugrasari from State University of Jakarta in Indonesia, and in this good occasion, I would like to present my research about improvement of accounting vocational school students' competency through ideal learning methods problem solving on project-based learning with the ASEA mobile application. Start from the background of the research. Indonesia will face a golden age in 2030 until 2045, with many golden generation, or can be called this demographic bonus, which present more people at productive age than those who are not productive. But again, it needs to be reflected on how Indonesia prepared for that period. Judging from the various factors that can ultimately support Indonesia's readiness to face this golden generation with various expected development goals. This is related to Indonesia's goal to achieve Sustainable Development Goals, or we call SDGs, and in this case there are at least 17 development targets that must be anchored by various other factors, one of which is the education factor. Education is the most basic thing that must be owned by every human being, which is always needed throughout the time when there is life. In the last 2015 Development Program Report, Indonesia ranks 110 out of 187 countries in the Human Development Index, or HDI, with a figure of 0.6084. Based on the problem, the aim of education will also become the foundation for the government's efforts to encourage the achievement of the goals and objectives of sustainable development in the era of Sustainable Development Goals. One of the problems that occur in education in Indonesia is that most of the vocational students majoring in accounting have difficulty understanding accounting material and feel bored in teaching and learning activities, so that the material presented by educators cannot be well received by students. This learning model is not in line with the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which should be integrated with fun learning facilitated by technology. Indonesian education learning methods must begin to shift into visionary to process, including honing the ability to think creatively and innovatively. This is necessary to deal with various technological and scientific development. Minister of Research, Technology, and Higher Education, or we call Menristek Dikti, Muhammad Nasir, said that the essence of the Making Indonesia 4.0 program is a cultural revolution, a human revolution in various aspects of life, not just a technological revolution. To restructure the education system in Indonesia, it is necessary to have good quality teaching with various innovations that support the learning atmosphere so that students can easily understand the material being taught. However, in current teaching practice, the teaching system carried out at the accounting vocational student is still using the same methods and media continuously, so that students feel insecure when facing exams and tend to find it difficult to understand the material in class. Based on the description of the problem, the author provides a solution with an idea, namely ASEA, Accounting Social Education Area, as an innovative application of accounting learning media accompanied by strengthening the character of accounting vocational students in more fun way. Next, there are 7 literature reviews that I have been taken. First, media learning. According to Mediawati in 2011, learning media is a learning tool to convey material in the learning process. The complexity of teaching materials can be further simplified with the help of the media. Second, accounting learning. According to Sadirman in 2011, India 2012, state that learning is an activity carried out to create an atmosphere or provide service So that students learning place more emphasis on the teacher in his effort to make students learn not only to make change in student behavior, that it can be linked to accounting so as to produce the conclusion that accounting learning is the process of making students learn or a series of events that affect students so that the learning process can take place easily. Third, education and relation to Industry 4.0. According to Gulu 2019, the education era influenced by Industry 4.0 is called Education 4.0, that is characterized by the use of digital technology in the learning process or known as the cyber system that able to make the learning system can take place continuously without time and space limits. Fourth, learning design of ideal problem solving. According to Purnomo, Prasetyo, and Numeric, this problem-solving model has several steps, namely, first, identify the problem, second, define the goal, third, explore solution, fourth, extract strategy, fifth, look back and evaluate the effect, and implementing ideal problem-solving in accounting learning can encourage students to understand lessons faster. The learning method that can be a partner to the ideal problem-solving model is the project-based learning method, where this method provides simulation-based learning or real problem situation so that it can produce permanent knowledge. Fifth, learning methods of project-based learning. According to the opinion of Gilbahar and Tinmas in 2006, is a model that organizes projects in learning. In the end, this method can be an opportunity for students to be more active in solving accounting projects and engage directly with real and practical problems. 6. Mobile application. According to Hassan, Kafi, and Alamshah in 2019, mobile applications are software that run on mobile device such as smartphone or tablet PC. Mobile applications are also known as applications that can be downloaded and have certain function, thereby adding to the functionality of the mobile device itself. 7. In solving the problems of learning accounting, at least two applications have been used, namely Accounting Exam Vocational Students Quiz and Game of Business. The next, for the methods, the type of research that the author uses is research and development, which is research method that produces a particular product, and to perfect the product, a validation test of the product is required. The sample of this study, the authors took a sample of 110 accounting vocational students in Indonesia, and the sampling technique used probability sampling technique by means of simple random sampling. The site in the study, the author took a variety of exciting sites because the data generated were valid and provide a correct explanation regarding the research to be produced. And for the procedures, start from accounting learning problem and media learning ASEA, here to make students think critically and students can solve the problem to make a quality of education and to lead SDGs manifestation. The hypotheses in this research are: first, learning mobile application ASEA has a positive and significant influence on students' competence, and learning mobile application ASEA has a positive and significant influence on learning methods. And for the population, there are accounting vocational students in Indonesia. And the next, for the measurement in this study, use an interval scale measurement using parametric statistics. In conducting the research, the authors gave a questionnaire to the respondent by giving 6 questions, and each answer there were 5 scales. And for the analysis data in the study, the author used the SPSS application to test the hypothesis of the research to be carried out. For the validity in this research, total score is 1, that meaning the data is valid from the source, and implement the assessment model so the result from the data obtained is the best quality which can be obtained. And for the reliability, based on the Crunchbase alpha number is 0.724, so this figure is greater than nominal value. It can be concluded that this research instrument can be used to measure variables that can be said to be reliable. For the result and discussion, first, the effect of ASEA mobile application on the competence of accounting vocational students, testing the hypothesis of the application ASEA on the competence of students in accounting was declared accepted. This is because the significant value on the t-test on this variable is 0.0, and it fulfills the requirements for the acceptance of the hypothesis, namely the significant value must be less than 0.05. The result of the calculation of the coefficient of determination can be seen that the value of r squared is 0.186. Thus, the effect of the application ASEA simultaneously on the competence of accounting students is 18.6%, while the remaining 81.4% is influenced by other variables. These support the t-test and illustrate that the effect of the application ASEA is quite large on the competence of accounting vocational students. For the next discussion is the effect of ASEA mobile application on the learning methods. Testing the hypothesis of the application ASEA on the learning method is still accepted. This is because the significant value on the t-test on this variable is 0.0, and it fulfills the requirements for the acceptance of the hypothesis, namely the significant value must be less than 0.05. The result of the calculation of the coefficient of determination shows that the value of r squared is 0.085. Thus, the effect of ASEA mobile application simultaneously on learning methods is 8.5%, while the rest is influenced by other variables. These support the t-test and illustrate that the effect of the application ASEA is quite large on the learning method, so that in order to use an effective and efficient learning method, it is necessary to use the mobile application ASEA. Few in 2018, Internet users in Indonesia reached 95.2 million users. It can be concluded that the Internet is very much needed in this modern era. It can be seen from the potential of the Internet, which can ultimately improve the competence of students of accounting. One of them is frequently visited by Internet users is an application. The application is able to be one of the strategies that can be done to improve the competence of students of accounting in order to improve the quality of education in Indonesia and support the SDGs. This research was conducted with the aim of measuring the factors that can improve the competence of students of accounting vocational students. The variable tests were the competence of students of accounting in X1, learning methods in X2, and application of ASEA in Y. And from the hypothesis test conducted by the researcher, the results are as follows. First, mobile application ASEA has a positive and significant influence on the competence of students in accounting vocational students. So, it can be concluded that the mobile application ASEA is one of the factors that can affect the competence of students of accounting vocational students. And the last is, mobile application ASEA has a positive and significant influence on learning methods, so it can be concluded that the mobile application ASEA is one of the factors that can affect the learning methods. From these results, the authors conclude that the application ASEA is indispensable for students of accounting vocational school to improve competence and will be easily done by utilizing the learning application ASEA. That's the end of my presentation. Sorry for the mistake I've ever done. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.